What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer or send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, transferring from Phantom Wallet to Binance is very easy. So first things first, you want to go and log in into Binance here, and we want to go and click on the wallet option here, and click on the spot option. Now from here, we want to get the address that we want to transfer our Solana. So in this case, you want to look for Solana here, but you could go and just click on the option here that says deposit. Just choose deposit crypto. And from here, you can just search Solana in here. So let's just type in Sol, and let's go and choose Solana. Now we want to choose our network here. So in this case, there are different networks that you can use like BSC or Sol. Let's go and choose Sol here, and let's go ahead and basically copy the address itself. Once we've done that, let's go open up our Phantom Wallet. Now, in your Phantom Wallet, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says send. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose Solana. Let's go choose Solana here. Now, from here, you want to go and just specify the amount that you want to send. And just make sure whichever Solana you chosen here uses the same network as well. Now from here, enter the amount and just click on next and just confirm a few things in order for you to make the transaction. Now transactions for this one usually take around like 3 to 5 minutes, so just wait for it. So typically speaking, just patiently wait for it, and also just make sure that you're using the correct network when you're making the transfer. But then again, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.